This is to clear the air about the fake news circulating online. Reverend Father Emmanuel Obime Ebemonso is not dragging any person's land. The 7 plots of land was sold to him by Mr. Nicholas Okachu at 34 million naira on 12th February 2019. Here are the evidence of payment. We made the first 10 million to him on 12th February 2019. On that same date, we made another payment of 10 million. On that same date, we made another payment of 4 million. On that same date, we made the last payment of 10 million, making it 34 million naira, of which on 13th of February 2019, Mr. Nicholas Okachuku issued us a receipt of 34 million naira, thereby making Reverend Father Emmanuel Obime Ebemonso the rightful owner of that 7 plots of land. Here is the deed of conveyance portraying the plan and the map of that land. However, I was there. I was present the day Mr. Nicholas Okachuku, through Pastor Oguine, sent his surveyor to the land. Reverend Father Emmanuel Obime Ebemonso also sent his own surveyor, and the 7 plots of land was carved out, and the payment of 34 million naira was made after that. If actually Nicholas Okachuku sold that same piece of land to another person, then he is a dubious man and must face justice. Mr. Chinedu Kodlinye, Reverend Father Emmanuel Obime Ebemonso is too big for your cheap blackmail. He has nothing to do with your land. Our dearest Obesi people, some of your children are here on scholarship at Van Ridge Beauty School. Therefore, do not be deceived. Make thorough investigation before you react to any allegation. Reverend Father Emmanuel Obime Ebemonso is doing great for humanity, and his good works will continue to speak for him. Our students are having their time enjoying the best of learning and other standard facilities to enhance holistic formation. In fact, this is the best school in Nigeria. Obosi people, do not allow Mr. Chinedu Kodlinye to deceive you, so that you will not incur the wrath of God. Be careful of peddling false rumors against an anointed man of God, because the punishment is severe. As far as I know, Reverend Father Emmanuel Obime Ebemonso, nobody fights him and goes scot-free. Therefore, be informed and be warned. Thank you so much. Não, vai ser,